YouTube. That's right, this year's regarding the new year in terms of YouTube Shorts actually sent us a surprise package. I think it's time to get to uniform. Haha, that's more like it. So let's open it up and see what they gave us. They gave us a card. Oh, how cool is that? Definitely something I'll be putting in my videos going forward. That is so cool! So you can go ahead and turn it on and off like this. Thank you, YouTube, for sending this over.